Hey guys, this is Joy Cho from Oh Joy. Today I've partnered with Daisy Sour Cream to share with you one of my favorite treats for 4th of July. My kids love them, and you're gonna love them too. We're gonna start by crushing up our graham crackers for the crust. Now my kids who are 3 and 6 love to be involved in the kitchen, so a really easy way to do that is to have them put the graham crackers into a big plastic bag, seal it up. So I start by smashing with my hands, then we take out the rolling pin. Okay, once we have a nice fine bag of graham cracker crust, we can put it into the bowl. We are going to add sugar and melted butter. And then stir. Again, really easy and really fun for young kids to help with. Now we're gonna put them into the cupcake pan. I've pre-lined these with little cupcake liners so that they're easy to serve afterwards. And so we'll just take a handful and press it into each one. Start by putting a little bit at the bottom, and then you're gonna press it down to create a bottom as well as the sides. Okay, now we're gonna get these in the oven to bake and meld together into these beautiful little graham cracker crusts. We're gonna put this in at 350 degrees for 6 minutes. Now let's make the filling for our delicious frozen mini lime pies. We're gonna start with the egg yolks and sugar and whip them together until nice and fluffy. Now we're gonna add in condensed milk, lime juice, and Daisy sour cream. The sour cream helps to make the texture really nice and creamy and complements the lime really well. And before we blend one more time, we're gonna add a little bit of lime zest. All right, here we go. All right, now we'll take our cooled crusts and start filling them. Because these cups are really tiny, a teaspoon is perfect. All you'll do is fill in right in the middle. You wanna get it just about to the top. All right, we're gonna pop these into the freezer for at least 2 hours. You can also make them the night before so they could go overnight, no problem. The pies are almost set in the freezer, so now I'm gonna make homemade whipped cream to put right on top. All right, we'll take our whipping cream, add sugar, and some vanilla extract. There we go, now we're gonna put it on top of our frozen pies. All you need is a little teaspoon, and we're gonna put a dollop on top of each one, and then smooth it down a little. So, especially for 4th of July, we're gonna add one extra special topping, and that is raspberries. I love the idea of raspberries or blueberries to pull in a little bit of that July 4th red and blue. So we're just gonna take one raspberry for each pie, place it nicely on top. Now we're gonna pop them in the freezer and make them nice and cold. It's gonna be a perfect treat for your summer party. Look how good these look. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are such a great treat for the summer and for 4th of July. The sour cream really adds such a great, lovely texture that goes so well with the lime. And I can't wait to enjoy these. These are a favorite of mine to make with my family and for my family, and I hope you enjoy them too.